Don't know what to make for breakfast? That's quick, tasty, and hassle-free? Today I'm sharing a recipe my family truly loves. Take an onion, one onion or two, whatever you like. Slice it not too fine. Next, the tomatoes. You can use cherry tomatoes or regular ones. Cut them into pieces. Now the greens. Dill, cilantro, parsley, whatever you have on hand. You can also add a bit of basil if you like. Lightly spray the pan with vegetable oil and add the onion. Cook over medium heat. When the onion is soft and about halfway cooked, add the tomatoes and some of the greens. Salt and pepper to taste. When the onion turns a deep golden color, crack 4 eggs on top. Cover the pan with a lid and cook for a couple of minutes. Then grate cheese over the eggs, add the remaining greens, and let it cook for a few more minutes. When the cheese is fully melted, remove from heat and enjoy a delicious homemade breakfast.